I'm going to take it out of ramp up mode to do this.
So that is how much dust is being handled by the vacuum and then stock removal by that unit. So that's a really good unit and really smooth. And that vibration, having the least amount of vibration, is also going to help with the little random orbit hooks you would normally get. And what is that, about a 5.0 hook?
No, this is rotary.
That's right, it's a rotary.
It's strictly rotary. The RX 600X is a rotary sander that I've been around floor sanding for a long time. This tool, I think, is one of the best edging tools, stair sanding tools you can get. It starts out, you can go from 700 to 2500 RPMs by changing your plus or minus. As you take it out of the box, you can set it up. It's got a brushless motor. All our machines have a 2+1 warranty, 2 years plus one if you register it on mymirka.com. As you go to sand with this tool, it does 2 different modes. The first mode is your standard mode, that is just a rotary sander based on your RPMs. You press the rotary switch and then you want to press the lock button right away to keep it in rotation. So you do that. Now this is currently in what we call ramp up mode. I want to take it out of ramp up mode. I'll explain that in a second. But to change modes, you'll see the red light change, plus and minus. Now it is in full rotary RPMs of what you set it at. Right now it's at the highest RPMs. Vacuum starts up. Now you're starting to sand. One of the advantages of this machine is that you can palm it very easily and you can sand your floor very easily in a controlled motion. You can slow down the RPMs depending on your species, your surface, what you're doing. One of the unique features about this machine that I think is very handy for a hardwood floor sander is when you start it up again, you put it in that mode, you press the plus and minus together, it turns red. As the machine now is slowed down rotation, it's in what we call ramp up mode. So as you're sanding, the more pressure you put on it, it's going to speed up. So say you're sanding an old set of steps and you got to get that flat spot on the step out, you can press down and it's going to be more aggressive, sand that step flatter, and then you can lighten up on it and continue your sanding. The other thing about this 6-inch version is it is also the perfect sander for risers. You can stick this on the riser. If this was your riser, you can stick it on the riser and you can sand, flip it around and sand the other way. And that is going to remove any paint off your risers. If you have to change color on your risers, this is a perfect sander to do that.
When he had that in ramp up mode, you know, going from the lowest RPM up as he put pressure on it, like hardly any vibration at all. I noticed that pretty much across the random orbit sanders, but particularly this rotary sander, when it was in sanding mode and not ramp up mode, just normal mode, at the highest RPM, just completely smooth in the palm of his hand when he was on that maple. Now this is a 120 grit-ish paper on the maple, but really smooth, hardly any vibration. That is really, really nice.
All our sanders are so low vibration and ergonomically friendly that you're, at the end of the day, your hands are a lot less tired.
Yep, so we're going to run that. Let's run that without the vacuum just so you can see how much material and dust is created without the vacuum and the aggressiveness of the sander.
I'm going to take it out of ramp up mode to do this.
So that is how much dust is being handled by the vacuum and then stock removal by that unit. So that's a really good unit and really smooth. And that vibration, having the least amount of vibration, is also going to help with the little man orb hooks you would normally get. And what is that, about a 5.0 hook?
No, this is rotary.
That's right, it's a rotary.
It's
sander.
strictly rotary.
Okay. Very good. All right, so that is Mirka's RS 600. And Jim, thanks for displaying that.
Thank you.
Going over it. That is available at cityfloorsupply.com, or if you have any questions about it, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786.